This is a 2014 BMW X3 with a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. The battery was dead and I jumped it, and after that the car would not start. I was just cranking but it wouldn't start. I thought that it was probably something wrong with either fuel pump, ignition, but it was hard to believe that it was one of those items, because the car was driving perfectly until I parked it, and only after I jumped it the car would not start. So after few days of working on it and trying to figure out what it is, I realized that I made a rookie mistake. So as you can see over here, you have the positive terminal, and without paying too much attention, I just assumed that the black cap is the negative terminal, but that is not the case. This is also a positive terminal coming directly from the battery. I am really not sure why they would have a positive terminal kind of exposed like that, which can be easily mistaken for a negative terminal, but they do. The negative terminal, it's the post right over here. It's kind of like out of the way. Usually I've seen it closer, to this area, but this one is a little bit to the side. So anyways, I realized that I had jumped the car in the wrong place, and I pretty much assumed right away what had happened. So walking to the back of the car, you have the battery block with this kind of a setup that looks like this. Most of the BMWs, well, all the BMWs really have this same unit. It just maybe a little bit of a different shape. So first thing I did is I pulled the cover and I measured the voltage on the left side before the fuse, and then I measured the voltage after the fuse, and I determined that this fuse right here was blown. I opened, I pried open the little cap on the side with the screwdriver, and I discovered that the 100 amp fuse was blown. So to test that this was indeed the problem, I took just a regular 60 amp fuse that I had in my toolbox. I connected it directly to the terminal, on the one side, and I took the cable going to the front of the car, and I kind of jumped it directly into here to make sure that this was the issue, and it was. The car started right away. So if you made a rookie mistake like me to jump the car in the wrong terminal, then that's most likely the issue that you're going to run into, and not anything else like these fuses here underneath the dash and so on and so on. So it's most likely here. Hope this solves your issue, and yeah, I'm glad to help.